I am very excited to drink a bunch of chocolate milk today.
Yum.
We have developed a reduced sugar, lactose-free chocolate milk showcasing our lactase enzymes, cocoa powder, carrageenan, and stevia sweetener for a tasty beverage the whole family can enjoy. The processing steps are to confirm we have appropriate suspension of ingredients and for a consistent final product. Our goal is to provide an easier to digest milk beverage with reduced calories, but still an indulgent mouthfeel. Now let me walk you through how to create a rich lactose-free chocolate milk that is delicious at any time of day. The first thing we're going to do is add our lactose-free milk to a bowl.
And this is milk that's already been enzymatically treated to break down the lactose.
Then we're going to put together our dry blend by mixing our cocoa powder, salt, sugar, vanillin, carrageenan, and stevia. Like so. And now that this is blended, we are going to whisk this into our milk. We're going to add this mixture to our pot and heat this to at least 185 degrees Fahrenheit while using our homogenizer at 6,000 RPMs. And we're going to continue to homogenize for about 4 minutes. So this is our benchtop process. I know we have specific equipment available to us, so your process might look a little different. Yeah, 185.
Nice.
All right, so we're up to temp and homogenize, so we're gonna turn this off. So then we're gonna take this, we're gonna put it in an ice bath, and then once it's cooled off, we're gonna serve. So I hope you're ready for some chocolate milk.
I've been waiting.
Excellent. Now our chocolate milk is ready to go.
Let's see how it came out.
Nice and creamy.
Looks good.
There you are.
All right,
Excellent.
ready? Salute.
Cheers. That's chocolate milk.
Great.
Love it.
Good job.
Delicious. Well, thank you very much.
Now let's talk for a minute about the ingredients we used in the formula. Lactose-free milk starts by using an enzyme called lactase. Novozymes lactase product called Saphira breaks down the naturally present lactose in milk into two monosaccharides, galactose and glucose. These two monosaccharides actually deliver a sweeter taste than the lactose. This results in a milk that is not only lactose-free, but requires less additional sweeteners. Cargill's Russet Plus cocoa powder provides superior flavor and color. You really can't have chocolate milk without cocoa.
That's true.
Calorie reduction is achieved by using Cargill's stevia sweetener called Truvia R95 in place of sugar. Truvia R95 is a clean-tasting stevia with a minimum of 95% Reb A. Vanillin plays a critical role in chocolate milk. It is what makes cocoa powder taste like chocolate. Camlin's Fine Science's vanillin provides the vanilla-like notes that are so important to a quality product, and you can really taste it in here. Finally, there are two defining characteristics of a really good chocolate milk product: their suspension and a rich, creamy mouthfeel. Carrageenan is the perfect hydrocolloid to deliver both functionalities. As you probably know, carrageenan has been the go-to in chocolate milk for decades. Utilizing a carrageenan that contains kappa-2 carrageenan from Jellimar, you will achieve both superior mouthfeel and excellent cocoa particle suspension. So now let's talk about the production procedure. It can take up to 24 hours to achieve full lactose reduction in cold milk using enzymes. Once that's achieved, actually making the chocolate milk product is fairly straightforward, as you just saw. Dry ingredients are added to the milk in the proper order and mixed until they're fully dissolved or dispersed. You can premix the dry ingredients if you like we did. Then the product should be homogenized at around 2,500 psi and pasteurized at 185 to 190 degrees Fahrenheit and packaged. Pasteurization is necessary in order to fully hydrate that carrageenan. Chef Mike and I would like to thank you for joining us today. On the next screen, you'll see the formula for the chocolate milk. Please reach out to us if you want a copy of the recipe card.